In this video, you'll learn when and how to use personalized videos to give your marketing efforts a boost. Most people don't like being sold to, so finding a way to connect with your audience on a more friendly and personal level is crucial to creating a successful sales funnel. Knowing when and how to effectively implement personalization in your videos can boost your conversions and help you forge a deeper connection with your customers. And today you will learn not only how to use personalized videos, but also the best tools to use to get started. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Kev here at Spiel. Before we jump into today's topic, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you get notified each time we release a new video to help you with your video marketing. So let's get started. So the first thought you're probably having is, what exactly are personalized videos? Well, it's quite straightforward, really. A personalized video is any video content that is made specifically for an individual viewer. That could be something as simple as starting your video off with a personal greeting to your customer like, "Hi Dave," or as complex as tailoring your videos to each customer's individual purchase history, interests and shopping behaviour. Something more along the lines of, "Hi Dave, how did you like your recent order of paleo, vegan, keto, gluten-free snickerdoodles?" While it sounds like it would be a lot of work to create such personalized videos, the latest video tools have made it relatively easy to create personalized videos. Some tools can even automatically import data from large spreadsheets and create hundreds of videos at ease. We'll go deeper into how you can personalize your videos with automation a little bit later on. But first, let's go through the best use cases for personalized videos and how they can boost your communications. When should I use personalized videos? The short answer, as often as possible. Getting up close and personal with your prospects through personalized videos can really help you build a deeper emotional connection with them and help move them through your sales funnel more quickly and efficiently. The results you can achieve are no joke. Blue Leads found that sending personalized videos to their sales prospects increased their close rate by 28%. Here are 5 specific ideas on how to implement personalized videos into your sales funnel. Number 1, personalized introductions. Try sending personalized introduction videos from your sales reps to your prospects so they can more easily put a face to their rep's name. This can be a straightforward welcome message, or you can think of something fun and creative that might put a smile on your client's face. Number 2, personalized demos and screen shares. Similarly, if a prospect requests a product demo or has any potential objections, you can have your sales reps make a personalized screen share video explaining how your product will meet their specific needs. Number 3, webinar and event invitations and follow-ups. If you're sending out invitations or follow-ups to events, webinars and conferences, try doing this through a short video that includes the receiver's name. It may not seem like much, but these small personal touches can really help you connect with your attendees on a more intimate level. 4, email marketing. Personalizing emails by adding your receivers' names, locations, industries or interests is common practice nowadays. But adding a personalized video to your campaigns can really take things to the next level. Cetera Financial Group, who implemented personalized videos in their email marketing efforts, have seen their click-through rates increase by an astounding 600%. That's not to be sniffed at. There are many ways you can boost your mail shots with personalized videos. For example, you could change a free trial offer from a generic "use this 14-day free trial to get noticed in your area" to a more personalized, "Hey Ben, use this 14-day free trial to help Ben's books get noticed in Leeds." Shortly, we'll go into some automated personalized video tools which will allow you to send personalized videos in your email campaign without having to individually write the name and message every time. Number 5, customer service. Of course, once a customer's made a purchase, don't forget to follow up with them. If you're an e-commerce business, for example, you can use personalized videos to send a customized follow-up that says, Hi Lauren, are you enjoying your recent purchase of fuzzy socks? Or if you're a software company, you could send a getting started video that includes your customer's name, business name and industry to make things a bit more personal. Having account managers record their own introduction videos for new customers can also really help build a strong connection between them. One of our favourite ways to maintain a good customer relationship is to send personalised holiday greetings and happy birthday videos. Making the extra effort to include your customers' names, recent purchases or interests really may not seem like much, but it can go a long way. So, now that you've got all these ideas and possibilities buzzing around in your head, you're probably wondering, how can I create personalised videos? To make polished, personalised videos, you will first need to get the right tool to produce them. Different personalised video tools serve different purposes, so there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Some are geared towards product demos, personal introductions and the like, while others are focused on automated personalisation. To make things a little easier for you, I'm going to let you in on our favourite tools at present for each scenario. Online video recorders. Let's start with online video recorders like Loom, Wistia's Soapbox and Vidyard Go Video. These three tools are Chrome extensions that let you record yourself and your screen either at the same time or separately, which makes them perfect for sales and product demos. To be totally honest, there isn't that much difference between the three of them, so don't stress too much about choosing the right one. You really can't go wrong. If you're already using Wistia or Vidyard for your video hosting, just go with the one that gives you full access to analytics at a price point you feel comfortable with. Looking at the slight differences though, we think Soapbox excels at video editing and customization. It's super easy to zoom in, switch between the full screen and side-by-side views, and even trim down your video after you've recorded it. But you have to pay for access to their analytics, whereas Vidyard gives you them for free. Vidyard also has better integration with HubSpot and other CRMs, so it edges out Soapbox in that regard. Now, let's move on to our favourite part, automated personalised videos. Tools like Rocketium, Promo and Biteable use the wonders of automation and modern technology to make creating personalised videos as easy as clicking a few buttons. All three of these tools make video creation a snap. Just pick a template, drag in your own media or some of their stock media files and add in the text you want. Rocketium, however, takes things one step further as far as personalisation is concerned. You can specify when and how you want to personalise your video and let the app do all the heavy lifting for you by pulling your customer's information in from a spreadsheet or CSV and then adding it automatically. Honestly, the videos these apps can churn out look pretty great. You can either use their included media library or add in photos and videos of your own. Adding motion graphics is quite effortless, and you can even add in your own voiceovers and captions if you like. It can be hard to choose between them, but we'd personally recommend Rocketium, simply because it has a much larger media library and there are more customization options available. Personalized videos are going to become commonplace in marketing campaigns. How it will develop though is open to a world of possibility. The future of personalized videos using machine learning. The customer journey has evolved. The one-size-fits-all funnel is fast becoming outdated as every customer has their own unique personal circumstances, needs, preferences and behaviours. Machine learning is being increasingly used to pull together customer data in order to serve up personalised videos that go way beyond simply adding your name. You'll soon see videos in your inbox that will inform you that the dress you looked at last week is now half price, or what supplies you'll need to see out the stormy weather predicted in your area. This technology is still in its early stages, but tools like Spiel are poised to make waves in this industry, so keep an eye out for them. Well, that just about wraps it up. If you take one thing away from this video, it should be this. Your marketing efforts will be most successful if you can forge a personal connection with your audience. And there's no better way to do that than through personalized video. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you need any further help with your video marketing, don't forget you can get in touch with us here at Spiel by visiting our website, www.spielcreative.com. Until next time, see ya.